Cedar Seed Foundation, an NGO, has underscored the need for adequate investment in the provision of wheelchair ramps at public event centers to promote social inclusion of people living with disability. Mrs. Louise Arthur, founder and executive director of the foundation, gave the advice in an interview with News Agency of Nigeria in Abuja. Arthur, who is also the president of Women on Wheels, described the inability to access the ceremonial hall during inauguration of the Standing Committee of the African Union, Economic, Social and Cultural Council in Nigeria.
This is a very good step taken. It's a good initiative that will ensure that the legal frameworks we have at African level and the national level is being advocated for the implementation and ensuring that the rights of the vulnerable groups are given to them. And one of such legal frameworks are National Disability Act, African Disability Protocol, Agenda 2063, and so on. So what we really want to see is to see inclusion. Just like when I was entering, I had to be carried because this hall is inaccessible to wheelchair users. We need to be inclusive in our thoughts, in our actions, and all our agendas must be inclusive. Like Transcorp Hilton, there's a space reserved for drivers with disabilities. But whenever I go to park in such allocated space, we always find vehicles parked in there. And the drivers of those vehicles are able-bodied men and women. You go to shops, parks and gardens, supermarkets, churches, mosques, workplaces, offices. 80 or 90% of our buildings are inaccessible, including our own houses. I have relatives that I cannot visit because they live on the first floor, second floor, third floor, some even fifth floor. I cannot visit them because it's inaccessible. No elevator, no ramps, no inclusivity when those buildings are being constructed. It is time that Nigerians begin to think about inclusion in all their agendas. It is time that exclusion is replaced with inclusion. Thank you very much.